Soundstripe.
Hi guys, welcome back to Civical Saturday. This is Vlogmas Day 8 and today we are learning how to make a simple pocket. There are various types of pockets, but then this one is just simple and it's beginner friendly. We are going to start by folding into two our fabric that measures 10 by 7 inches. Then you're going to take your trouser pattern, your front pattern. I'm marking the wrong side so that I can know where to place the pocket. So I am placing the pocket on the right side. I am placing wrong side of the pocket facing the right side of the trouser. Next, I am going to mark 2.5 inches at the waistline. Then I am going to mark 6 inches, 6.5 or 7 inches, that is along the hips. Next, I'm going to stitch, connecting those 2 points together. When you're done, I'd recommend you cut that extra piece at this moment. I did not, I forgot when I was making mine. I cut it later. Does not make that big of a difference, but it is just easier. So you turn the pocket on the other side and then you top stitch now. As you can see, I am cutting that piece right now. You see, it does not make much of a difference. It's just a preference that I prefer cutting it before top stitching the fabric. Next, on the pocket side, you're going to measure 2.5 because we have already cut off around 2 inches, 2.25. So you're going to measure 2.5 and then attach that pocket to the trouser. I think at this point you can just watch the video, it is easier to understand. I am stitching at the top to help the pocket not move. It is easier that way. Then next I am going to close the pocket on the lower side and on the hip side. Remember to just pick the pocket alone, do not stitch it together with the front part of your trouser. And with that you're done. It is so simple. There are different types of pockets that you can put on your trouser, on your skirt, on your short, on your dress. But then this one I have found it is just simple. It's beginner friendly. You can start with this and then proceed to different other types of pockets. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below and we are going to get back to you and answer them. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to like this video, it really supports our channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.